Hi there, this is our CCD camera counting machine. Makes output 70 bottles per minute. Can count 3 Dutch 40mm capsules templates into bottles or bags. Real-time vision display inspection. Precision exceeds 99.99%. Using cylinder system, speed increased 35%. Meets CE, CGMP, USA and EU standards. High-resolution vision inspection effectively remove materials of different size and color. Modular design, easy for cleaning and maintenance. With 6S version, fastest delivery time within 7 days. Full inspection guarantee quality. On-site debugging let you worry-free after sales.